Hold on a minute. We've got some people on the Marika and me terrace. Let's go and have a word with them. Well, hello and welcome back. Thanks for coming back. Downtown Kato Paphos. And look, we've got the woman known as Lady Heather and, of course, Lord of the Steve. Welcome to Downtown Kato Paphos.
Thank you very much.
What's the weather like back home?
Freezing.
Is it?
Literally.
You'd be wearing a bit more clothing.
Definitely.
Yeah?
Yes.
A little bit more than what our Lord of the Steve's wearing. What do you think of that?
I think it's going to stay.
You think it's got to stay?
It's a feature.
That's a feature, the graffiti outside the Marika and me lounge bar. Are you going to come inside and have a look?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go and have a look. Inside there are two more people, and as promised, we've done a little bit of work and we have removed the carpet. And to be honest, it doesn't look too bad. There they are, rushing away, sweeping like crazy. Of course, Baron Jeremy, he's the one all in blue. Baron Simon, or Baron Sweeps, should we call him now. And of course, Miss Watching Priscilla Booth. Shall we get a big hello?
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again and again, and I am sweating, no matter what Mr. Paul says, that ladies are perspiring. I don't mind, but I'm really sweating like a pig. It doesn't matter, now we look like pigs. You know, we have a...
They're having a good laugh in the background as well. And they think they've come here for a week's holiday. That's not true. That's not true. We've got some gloves and some brooms and some washing up liquid, especially for you. And you. And you. Hold on. Let's have a word with him. What do you think?
I think it's well, look at him.
Take your mask off.
No, not lost dust.
You're like that guy out of Halloween. Yes.
Yeah, heroes wear masks. Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think of it without the carpet, by the way?
Much better.
It is a lot better,
I
isn't it?
actually preferred it with all that detritus and all the cars down, actually.
So that's what we're left with, by the way.
Oh, that rustic look about it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at the difference. Not too bad, is it?
It's much
Very
better.
bold
Yeah.
now.
Looks more barry, doesn't it?
And it's strip pine as well, so it's not like your cheap laminate types of wood, is it?
Yeah. So we're going to sand it, we're going to treat it, repair it where it needs it, and I think put a little bit of tint on it. But let's go and find out what Lady Heather, she's only just arrived by the way, what do you think of the lounge bar?
I think it's got amazing potential, and I cannot wait to come back for
Yeah.
the opening, and then every year when we
Because
can.
you were saying to me, you're going to book your holiday to make sure that you're here.
We're going to come for the opening.
Absolutely
Yeah,
fantastic.
yeah.
Thank you.
Extra few days in Paphos.
Just fly in and fly out.
Yeah, literally. Yeah.
Are you bringing him with you?
If I have to.
If you have to. If you have to. And this couple got married in Cyprus. How many years ago was it now? 10?
Yeah.
Because I remember doing a little video and it was
Yes.
earlier in the year,
It was
wasn't
well
it?
taken to wedding anniversary. Yeah.
So you've got a special place in your
Very
house for
special.
Paphos, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Very
absolutely.
special.
Love it. Love it here.
And whenever you arrive, you've always got huge smiles on your faces.
It feels like we're coming home.
Yeah.
As we were walking along the harbour this afternoon, we said, I feel at home again.
England's so depressing.
We are going to wipe them smiles off your faces, though, that's for sure. We're going to get them up close and personal at the little bar known as the Marika and Me Lounge Bar. Do you want to see some of the bar? Everyone's telling us that this is the most spectacular bar in Paphos, and it's a huge bar. Again, Lady Heather came in and said, wow, it looks even bigger than it does on camera, and I think it's huge. It's about 18 metres of pure bar. Now I know Sir Chris in downtown Yorkshire, Sir Chris of Bridlington, is going to send me another bar which is the biggest bar in the world, but by Paphos standards this is a huge bar.
Many friends arriving, they all are real friends. I cannot wish even better friends than we have at the moment being. Can you imagine? This is all I'm happy about. We haven't opened yet. I'm not boasting. I'm spilling the happiness to you. And if you have not such a good friends, if you don't have such a good friend, please try to find them, because nothing can be better than 1,000 best friends. It's even better than the 100,000 or millions and millions of euros or pounds. Why? Because these all friends can bring you unforgettable help, and it will stay forever. And the effort of them, it's huge. They come in and as if they're saying, don't worry, we are here, you know, because we are in a little bit of shaking all over. We are scared. Why we are scared is understandable. Because first, it's a dream of their life, and we want that dream to work. So we are hoping that this dream will come true in a best way. So this all our dearest Heather and Steve and our dearest Simon and Jeremy are here for us. You know, we appreciate it. 2 pieces.
We do indeed, and every single day, 2, 4, 6, 8 people come and pop their heads in. If you're in downtown Kato Paphos and you want to pop your head in, no, you haven't got to get up close and personal. Just come and say a big, big hello and see it before it gets rejuvenated. But there's no doubt about it, it may not appear that we are doing a lot, but we are on the surface and behind the scenes, slowly but surely transforming it into what will be the most spectacular and the most welcoming bar in the world. So if you like what you see, hit the like, smash that subscribe. Please don't forget to keep on coming back for that little bit more of our complete and utter madness as we take you on our adventure, on our travels, as we rejuvenate this into the Marika and Me Lounge Bar. And if you'd like to get involved, perhaps you'd like to get your name on a brick on the Wall of Fame. There it is in the background. And of course, this is the Hollywood staircase. I'm going to take you up and show you the upstairs VIP lounge bar. So don't click off just yet. But of course, if you would like to get your name on a brick, if you'd like to get your name on a stair, or perhaps on the ceiling, all you've got to do is hunt these magic words on paper. Paul G. Cyprus. That's P-A-U-L, as in Paul, G, G-E-E. Cyprus. Paul G. Cyprus, and up will come a little picture of myself and of course the most beautiful woman in the world, Miss Ochin Brasilia Booth. That's your Marika and my Marika, as we thank you very, very much indeed as you gift us £50 and your name will appear on a brick on the Wall of Fame on the Hollywood staircase. Or perhaps if you fancy a stair, £200. If you fancy your name on the ceiling, £200. Or perhaps if you fancy your name on a bar. A spectacality of a bar, slowly but surely, is coming to fruition on the island of love in downtown Kato Paphos, on the most famous street in the world. And of course that is Bar Street. 15th of March 2025 is our official opening date. Many people are flying in, especially to make sure that they're here. Why not make yourself one of them? And you could be upstairs in the VIP lounge bar at the Marika and Me Lounge Bar. Let's go back down and let's get a word or two off Baron Jeremy, Baron Simon, Lady Heather, and of course Lord of the Steve, and of course the most beautiful woman in the world, Miss Ochin Brasilia Booth. We're going to say thanks for watching, and of course if you do like what you see, smash that like, smash that subscribe, and don't forget to keep on coming back. And remember, that is the Wall of Fame, right by the Hollywood staircase. Don't forget, hunt us down, Paul G. Cyprus on PayPal, because that's how you could get your name up in lights. And every time someone comes in the bar, they will understand that you helped to make the Marika and Me Lounge Bar the most spectacular bar in the world. There he is, rushing away. You've got to laugh, haven't you? Go on, get your back into it. There's Brasilia Booth, she's cleaning away.
It's a very good one, the water with the foam. It's a very good one. You know how it was? This is how, no, it was worse actually. I've already cleaned 5 or 10 times. But this is how it's going to be now. Polished and shiny. Nothing can be better than a clean thing.
That's what we like to see. And there's the evil twin. Very good, standing with a brush in his hand. We should rename him as Trigger. Boom.
Don't make me. Don't make me. I've had this brush for 20 years.
Yeah, I can tell. That's
Change it
another,
seven
says it. There's another 50 years in it till you retire. Lady Heather, we'd like to say thank you very, very much for joining us. Would
Thank
you
you
like
for
to say a
having
big,
us.
big goodbye?
Goodbye, everybody. Look
you.
forward to seeing you again in March.
Thank you very, very much.
Yeah, likewise.
Lord Steve,
On the 15th
thank
of
you
March.
very, very much for joining us. Priscilla Booth, here she comes. She's going to get in. I think that could be the screenshot
Can't help
of
myself.
this little video. Thanks for watching. We'll look forward to your company again very, very soon indeed. And of course, we will keep these two brushing away like crazy. Otherwise, our girl in charge of the show, Dayman, is going to fly in and their necks are going to become very, very light indeed. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again very, very soon indeed. That's it. It's time to go for a pint of Coca-Cola, the real thing.
Pepsi, Andy.
No, none of that Sherlock Holmes is allowed at the Marika and Me lounge bar.